What's up guys, my name is Gloria and today I'm going to show you guys how to make buttermilk biscuits. So the first thing you need to start with is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that you want to mix in 4 teaspoons of baking powder, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. You just want to mix all your dry ingredients together. Make sure that's well combined. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to add 3/4 a cup of butter into your dry mixture. Oh, okay, glad I'm wearing an apron. And you just want to grab a pastry cutter. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, or like a butter cutter or something like that. Or you could use a fork. I've used a fork before, and you just want to cut the butter into your flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Next thing we need to do is we just need to make a little hole in the middle, just like that. Easy, easy, easy. And you want to add 1.25 cups of buttermilk. If you remember my butter video, this is the same buttermilk that we got from our homemade butter. And I also used some of the homemade butter in this. And you just want to grab your pastry blender and you want to go back in until it forms a dough. Now we have to put some flour. Oh, okay, that is more than enough. Cool. And you just want to turn your dough out onto the counter and you want to knead it. Okay, I'm gonna get some more flour because this is kind of crazy right now. All right, so now we have to flatten this. Not flatten, you have to roll it out just a little bit, and you want to roll it out. You don't want to roll it out too thin because your biscuits will only be as big as you roll them out like that. It's very soft. Very, very nice dough. The dough just tastes like basic dough. I mean, what else would it taste like, honestly? Okay, so the next and last thing for me at least is we need to get a glass, basically, and you just want to flour the rim. There we go, floured. Oh, my phone died, okay. And you just want to cut out your biscuit, and it's good. Awesome, that's a relief. And I'm just gonna spread some flour right there. Now, I won't be baking mine today. I will just be freezing them so that my family and I can have them tomorrow. What you want to do to freeze them is you just want to put them out on a pan with probably some wax paper, and you want to freeze them just by themselves, not in a bag, for probably about an hour or 2 until they harden. And then with that, you want to take the biscuits that are frozen, the frozen biscuits, duh. Sorry, I'm tired. And you want to put them into a bag so they won't stick together. That's basically it. And you don't want to fold it over as much or add any more flour, because then that would make the second batch of biscuits hard. Well, not hard, tough. Tougher than the first batch. Just want to continue making rough circles. Here are our biscuits. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect, that's 2 for each of my family members. Oh, okay, 11, perfect. So if you're not freezing them like me, what you want to do is you just want to bake your biscuits at 450 degrees, or this for gas and Celsius, I don't know. Oh my God, there's just dough all over my hands. For 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are puffy and golden brown. And that's the end of the video, I guess. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you did enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!